Here at the Cryptic Files, we don't aim to prove or disprove anything. Simply show the evidence for you to decide. So with that said, let's get started. File 1. Proving Demons is a YouTube channel and investigation team that explore various locations around the UK. On this particular investigation, they're exploring an abandoned mine in Cumbria in the north of England.
Oh, alright. I'll catch you all when we get to the mine.
At the entrance, they meet Sam, a local who knows about the history of the mine.
Me and Dean here think it's been used as a water mine, basically to run water from the top of the mountain down and run out to the water wheel, which was just based down the bank here.
Any legends or anything you know about this mine? Any confirmed deaths in the mine?
Probably has been, because there's always mine accidents, collapses and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll venture in and see what we can find.
I'll tell you now, this water is ice cold. I'm just glad it's not going up to my waist this time like our last adventure. Right.
Initially, the group explored together. However, after a while, the lead investigator, Andrew, decides to head off alone. I wonder if he regrets his decision.
To Devil's Gate. What was that? Is that wind? I honestly feel like I'm gonna throw up. Let's just keep moving. You guys, I can hear what sounds like a drum beat. Can you hear it?
Unfortunately for Andrew, drumming isn't the only sound he can hear, as he continues to listen out to the strange noises in the depths of the mine. Have a listen.
And moaning. What the hell is that? Oh God, it's getting louder. Do you hear that? Oh God, I don't like that. Crap, I need to try and catch it.
In order to help you hear them a little better, I've amplified each section of sound between when Andrew is speaking. So have a listen and see what you think you're hearing. Do you agree? Is it moanings from hell?
And moaning. What the hell is that? Oh God, it's getting louder. Do you hear that? Oh God, I don't like that. Crap, I need to try and catch some of it on recorder. There's some hellish noises going on. Oh God, I can't go that way though. I just heard like a whisper.
Eventually, Andrew decides it's time to find the rest of his team and get the hell out of there, quite literally. But what is he hearing? What did he record? Is it really the sounds of hell? Or is it just the wind? Or is it just a hoax and his friends are somewhere else making the noises? But you decide. Tell me what you think in the comments below. You can see all of Proving Demons videos by going to their YouTube channel, which is listed in the links below. If you've made it this far and liked what you've seen, please click like and subscribe. Also hit the little bell icon, because for some strange reason if you don't hit that, you don't get the videos, even if you're subscribed. That's a strange one. But thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.